What's up, guys? We are out of town again. We are in Idaho right now. We are staying in Island Park. We are planning on going to Yellowstone and Grand Teton in the next couple of days. So it should be exciting. Yesterday was a little bit crazy in terms of travel time. We were supposed to get here about 4 o'clock p.m. but didn't get here until almost 2 a.m. So decided to take it a little easier today. We're actually gonna head down to Jackson Hole and go golfing. So yeah, look at this beautiful weather, mountains, open land, nothing better. Let's go, guys. Good morning, guys. It is 6:30 right now. We are heading to Jenny Lake. We did get up at about 5 today. We were trying to catch sunrise, but man, it is too far. We were doing a lot of driving right now. I think to Jenny Lake it's about 2.5, 3 hours, and then we have ATV later on today. So hopefully when the sun comes up we'll get some more footage, and then we'll see you at Jenny Lake. All right, so we just saw a moose, got out of the car. We are just now entering the Tetons, the Grand Tetons. We're still heading to Jenny Lake, almost there. We just pulled over for a little bit to try to get some pictures of this moose, but hopefully we run into some more. All right. So we actually made it down to the lake. So the boat is actually not running. We assume it's not running because we haven't seen any of it. So we're actually gonna go ahead and just hike the whole thing. It's not much. We were trying to keep it semi-quick so that we can make it to ATVs on time and have some time to do that. Man, I'm already trying to catch my breath. But we're going over to this rock over here. I'm actually really shaking, like not trying to. Just talking about that wasn't hard. That was easy. All right, we just finished the hike at Jenny Lake Trail. Went up to Inspiration Point. Also Hidden Falls, which was my first waterfall. So now we are packing up, getting ready to go and head down to Alpine to ride some ATVs. Yes. Good morning. Morning. 7 mile. 7 mile hole.
7 mile hole, that sounds right.
Again, we're gonna be heading out to Yellowstone. Go hiking again today. So the last day here, last full day here. We do leave tomorrow. Yeah, hopefully wildlife. That's what I definitely want to see. Definitely want to catch some bears, some bisons. We did see some elk the first night we drove in, but it was really dark, so we really couldn't see anything. Saw a couple of mooses yesterday in Grand Teton. So hopefully today we can see some bisons or some bears or something along the way. About an hour and a half, a little over an hour and a half. So let's get it going. All right, first stop, the canyons. I'm not gonna get any closer to the edge. This is it. This is all right. A little bit more. This is it. Yeah. Just started the hike, so we're not even half a mile in yet. But we're gonna get to the bottom of that. All right, guys, we made it to bottom. All right, so we just finished eating, hanging out a little bit, taking pictures. I'm gonna head back up now, which is going to be the hardest part of the hike. The river was nice, worth the hike. It was a little over 5 miles, so we got another 5 miles back. We're gonna probably take it a lot slower just because it's really steep. Going down was actually really scary. We're gonna go ahead and pack up and work our way back to the car and see what we can do from here. All right, we just, oh, I thought the car was coming. All right, we just finished the hike, just got back 10.8 miles. Let's just say 11 miles. Yeah. 11 miles out and back. But it was a tough little hike, I guess, towards the end, towards the middle, coming back. We didn't run into any wildlife, so hopefully we can run into some now when we drive around Yellowstone for a little bit. But yeah, successful hike. Good job, guys. Good job, guys. Yes. Yeah. Alex rocked it. All right, so let's go. All right, guys, we just got back from Yellowstone. It has been a very long day. We only had time for that one hike, unfortunately, but we were able to still drive around just to kind of check out other places, but it was pretty dark outside. So we ended up leaving Yellowstone, ended up going to eat out in West Yellowstone, just had a nice dinner, and then just got back home. Now we're probably just gonna pack up because we do have to leave early in the morning and head back to Texas. So other than that, this is it. Hope you guys enjoyed the trip as much as we did. If you haven't already, go ahead and click the subscribe button down below. Also turn on your post notifications, that way you get a little ding ding every time I post a new video. Till next time, guys, peace.
I need you more.